Dear students, today I am going to teach you one question related to proving identity of trigonometry, and it is related to the chapter transformation of trigonometric formulae. And the question is like this: prove that sine square pi by 8 radian plus a by 2 minus sine square pi by 8 radian minus a by 2 is equals to 1 by root under 2 sine a. Now this question we can solve from LHS. So let us begin from LHS here. Left hand side is equals to, we can write this one as it is, sine square pi by 8 radian minus a by 2 minus sine square pi by 8 radian minus a by 2. Sorry, this one is plus. Okay, from this we can start. So I will give you one hint here. Always if you have got the question like this, square in sine and cos, okay, in trigonometry proving identity, if you got the square in sine or square in cos, if you get like this, then always use the formula of sine square a and cos square a from multiple angle, okay. That multiple angle answer I will write like this, formula is like this: sine square a, this one is 2 sine square a formula, is always equals to 1 minus cos 2a. This formula you can apply. If you apply this formula, easily you will get answer, okay. This is not square, this is 2a, okay. 2 sine square equals to 1 minus cos 2a. This formula we can apply. So to apply this formula here we need 2. In front of sine square a we need 2. So what we can do here, now let us write down here also 1 by 2 we can write like this. Then this is equals to 2 like this, sine square pi by 8 radian plus a by 2 minus, sorry, this small bracket, minus again 2 sine square pi by 8 radian minus a by 2. We can close square bracket here. So this can be written as 1 by 2. Now 2 sine square, this whole we can consider as a. So pi by 8 plus a by 2 will consider this as a. So 2 sine square formula is 1 minus cos 2. A means we have got pi by 8 radian plus a by 2. This much. Okay. Minus again now let us put the curly bracket here because there is minus. So now my 1 minus cos 2, a means here pi by 8 radian minus a by 2. So we are applying the formula of 1 minus cos 2a, here also 1 minus cos 2a, formula of 2 sine square a, this one formula, okay. So now this can be written as, this is equals to 1 by 2 we can write as it is. Now 1 minus cos, this 2 will multiply inside. 2 times pi by 8 will be equals to only pi by 4 radian. And then plus 2 times a by 2 will be only a. Again minus will be minus times 1 is minus. Minus times minus is plus now. Yes. So now cos, here 1 plus cos, and then 2 times pi by 8 is pi by 4 radian minus 2 times a by 2 is only a. So we can enclose bracket like this, okay. So now let us do from here now, okay. This is equals to 1 by 2 we can keep as it is, bracket, this 1 and 1 we can cancel like this. So this plus 1 let us bring to the front side. So cos pi by 4 is 45 degree minus a, and then minus cos pi by 4 is 45 degree plus a. Okay. Now cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. Again we have got one more formula of this chapter. Now look at it. 2 sine a sine b, this one formula look at here. 2 sine a sine b is cos a minus b minus cos A plus B. This is the formula of 2 sin A sin B. Look at here. Very important formula this. If you apply this formula, see 2 sin A sin B. This is cos A minus B. This is A minus B and then A plus B. And here is minus C. So this right hand side pattern is already there. So we can use this formula to get this like this. See 1 by 2 as it is. Bracket cos A minus B minus cos A plus B is 2 sin A means 45 degree. Just replace 45 by A and then B by A and then sin A. This much. So this 2 and 2 we can cancel. This is sin 45 degree is 1 by root under 2 and then sin A is as it is, which is equals to right hand side. Hence proved. So I will give you one more question for you also. Okay, let us do that question. Okay, you do that, get question and then get benefit. Okay, for that let us do one more question. I'll give you that question. That is in terms of cos. Now prove that cos square pi by 8 radian plus A by 2 minus cos square pi by 8 radian minus A by 2. In place of sin I have given cos, and your answer will come here minus, one more minus will come. See 1 by root 2 and this sin A will come as it is. Okay, this question is homework to you. Okay, let us do and then get benefit. Okay, thank you for watching this video.